Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Young artisans, we will transport you into the world of friendship bracelets. Find a cozy and comfortable spot to sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Get ready to embark on a journey of creativity, love, and connection as you weave together the threads of friendship. Are you ready to unlock your inner artist and create something truly special? Let's begin. Imagine yourself surrounded by a serene, sunlit meadow. The gentle breeze carries the scent of wildflowers, and the sound of chirping birds fills the air. Take a moment to soak in the peaceful atmosphere and let it nourish your soul. Now, visualize a beautiful chest lying at your feet. It is filled with colorful threads, beads, and charms, just waiting to be transformed into cherished friendship bracelets. Open the chest and feel a wave of excitement wash over you. As you select the threads that resonate with you, notice how each color represents a unique aspect of friendship. The vibrant red symbolizes love and passion. The calming blue represents trust and loyalty. The sunny yellow embodies joy and happiness, and so on. Choose the colors that hold special meaning for you and your friends. Gently hold the threads in your hands, feeling their softness and flexibility. Take a moment to set an intention for your friendship bracelet. It could be a wish for a stronger bond, a gesture of gratitude, or a symbol of support and love. As you begin to weave the threads together, imagine the love and positive energy flowing through your fingertips and into the bracelet. Each stitch represents a moment of connection, a memory shared, or a heartfelt wish for your friend. With each knot you tie, feel a sense of joy and satisfaction. Embrace the meditative rhythm of the weaving process, letting it calm your mind and uplift your spirit. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the present moment, focusing on the beauty taking shape in your hands. As you add beads and charms to your bracelet, envision them as tokens of the unique qualities that make your friendship special. Each bead symbolizes a shared adventure, a happy memory, or a cherished inside joke. Let your creativity guide you as you select and arrange them, infusing your bracelet with the essence of your friendship. As you complete your friendship bracelet, take a moment to admire your creation. Feel a sense of accomplishment and love radiating from it. Know that this bracelet carries the energy of your intention and the depth of your friendship. As you admire your completed friendship bracelet, take a moment to reflect on the significance it holds. This bracelet is not just a piece of jewelry. It is a symbol of the bond between you and your friend. It is a tangible reminder of the love and connection you share. Gently place the friendship bracelet on your wrist and feel its weight. A comforting presence that reminds you of the support and care you have for each other. With every glance at your bracelet, let it serve as a beacon of friendship, reminding you of the beautiful moments you've shared. Now, imagine yourself sitting with your friend, sharing laughter and stories, as you exchange your friendship bracelets. As you gently tie the bracelet around their wrist, feel a surge of love and appreciation flowing between you. Know that this small act of giving carries great significance and strengthens the bond you have. Take a moment to express gratitude for your friend and the special connection you share. Send a silent wish or affirmation, envisioning a future filled with more laughter, adventures, and treasured moments together. As you conclude this guided meditation, remember that the power of friendship resides within you, not just in the bracelet itself. It is a reminder that you have the ability to nurture and cherish the friendships in your life. Carry the essence of this meditation with you as you go about your day. Allow it to inspire you to be present in your friendships, to show kindness, and to create lasting memories. Remember that friendship, like the bracelet, is something to be cherished, nurtured, and celebrated. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the spirit of the friendship bracelet meditation back with you. Carry the love, the connection, and the appreciation in your heart, allowing them to guide you in embracing the wonders of friendship and the magic of shared moments. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let them enhance your everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.